Sometimes you can find yourself being very hungry. You would need a knife and a cutting board, salt and pepper. Use your knife to cut some onions and mushrooms. Add the onions and the mushrooms to a piece of meat that you already put on a frying pan and with some salt and pepper. After frying all of this for 10 minutes on each side, it should be ready to eat. And if you are vegan, just don't add any meat. You might also benefit if you add some sides for that food. But you ask me, where's your sides? Well, I can make a salad. And you know that I know how to make a salad. Enjoy your meat with mushrooms. Now I'm not that hungry.